Hello, Appalachian. Okay, let's talk about lecture capture. So a lot of you may use ScreenPal, formerly known as Screencast-O-Matic, which is a great tool to use. You may know about the Kaltura platform and Express Capture and Kaltura Capture, or you may use VoiceThread. All of these are great options for lecture capture and just delivery of content. But wait, there is one platform that you probably use more than all of these other lecture capturing platforms combined, and that's Zoom. Now, Zoom is a great collaborative platform for online meetings, but you can also leverage it for lecture capture. So let me show you a step-by-step on how you can leverage Zoom for lecture capture. First of all, go to appstate.zoom.us. This is your main Zoom landing page. Now you'll have two login options for the Zoom Pro account and the Zoom Telehealth. I would say the majority of people will want to focus on the Zoom Pro account. Simply click Login, use your Appalachian credentials. On the left-hand side, you'll see Profile, Meetings. Click on Meetings. So when you're using Zoom as a lecturing capturing option, you actually have a lot of different choices when it comes to scheduling your meeting. So in this case, I'm just going to name my topic an introduction. When it comes to when, duration, time zone, that doesn't really matter to me. I'm just going to select recurring meeting and choose no fixed time. Now, when it comes to a lot of these other high-end options, you really don't have to worry about that because it's just you giving an introduction or a lecture. So at this point, you can just hit save. So you'll launch the meeting no different than you do any other Zoom meetings. Now this is very important. When you start your session, select More and Record to the Cloud. So now you're done with your introduction or your lecture capture using Zoom. You recorded it to the cloud and it magically went into your Kaltura My Media. Okay, so now how do you get that into your As You Learn course? Well, you go into your As You Learn course, you go to the upper right-hand corner, Edit Mode, select that. I already labeled my topic, label that whatever you like. So let me open that, add activity or resource, and you'll see a Kaltura video resource. Select that, add a general name, go down to video, add media, and here are all of your Zoom cloud recordings. So now what you're actually looking at is your Kaltura My Media. So you recorded an introduction for your class. It's titled An Introduction, and select Embed. So now you will see that the video has been embedded into your class. Select Save and Display. Now when your students log in, when they come to your class lectures, they will see an introduction. One of the really cool things about leveraging Zoom through Kaltura is when your students are actually watching it, they will see this really neat layout. As you notice, I can move the picture-in-picture around. You have different selections. You can either make it full screen for the presentation. You can click on this icon, bring the picture-in-picture back. You can swap between them using the arrow option, or you can make it side by side. And the captionings are automatically generated through Kaltura. So what have we covered? We've covered how you can leverage Zoom through appstate.zoom.us, the record to the cloud, how it goes into Kaltura My Media, and how you can easily bring those introductions or class lectures into your As You Learn course. I hope this helps.